Hey, welcome to Nutanix in real time. In this series, we walk through a number of scenarios on the Nutanix platform, installing software, looking at dashboards, etc. And we do so in real time. That means we don't rush through the process. There's no fast forwarding, but we will provide chapter markers. So if you don't feel like waiting for long running processes in complete silence, feel free to hover over the video time slider or in that region, and you'll see little pop-ups for various sections in the videos, allowing you to skip ahead or skip back to the sections that interest you most. I hope you enjoy the content and keep coming back for more. Let's walk through the process for installing Nutanix Files. There are a couple of ways to do this. The most streamlined way that I've found is to go to the menu, go to the File Server option. If we click on Plus File Server, we're given an indication here in the first step that we need to download or upload Files software. So if we click that link, we're taken to the Upgrade Software link or dialog, and we'll go ahead and download the latest release of Files, version 3.6.4. This is the same software upgrade dialog that is accessed via the Settings option here in Prism Element. Once our software is downloaded and or upgraded, we're given the ability to continue the process for adding a file server. We'll click Continue. In the next video, we'll walk through the process for configuring the Nutanix file server